1990 Fleer basketball. Let's get after it and get a Jordan. Great day. Let's open up some cards. Starting off with Ron Anderson. We have an all-star in this pack. We'll play peekaboo later. Vern Fleming. Larry Bird. There he is. Thurl Bailey. Anthony Bowie. John Battle, and the All-Stars upside down. So let's take a look here. Who is it going to be? Bird, Magic, another Jordan. No, it is Tom Chambers. All right, All-Star Tom Chambers. Johnny Dawkins, Chuck Person, Reggie Lewis, Theodore Edwards, Vernon Maxwell, Kenny Smith, Mark Alarie, Benoit Benjamin. All right, we got a Larry Bird. The All-Star was a little anticlimactic, but I guess that's okay. We got a Larry Bird. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like and subscribe. We do this every day, twice a day.